Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Priyanka and we are at the craft show today in Texas, and here are some of the paintings my mom made, and she's here waving at you guys. And we have adult coloring pages, and they are $1 each, and I'm just going to flip a couple of them, not all of them, but and these are the adult coloring pages and all the cute little acrylic paintings right here. And then we have some back there, and that's mom again. And then we have a small demo bar for our own diamond painting, and I am doing the painting. Let's see, it's right here. We are doing the demo of this painting right here, and we are selling more. And that's about it, guys. That's a short video on my craft show table. And let me just back up a little bit. Okay guys, I'll see you all after the craft show is done, and don't forget I am going to post a diamond painting video tonight, so I'll see you all then.